In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when you get the connection error on Snapchat. So typically this happens when you're not on a strong internet connection. Now you can fix this in one of two ways. Just go to the control panel of your phone. So on my phone, I'll just swipe down from the top of my screen. Then you just want to, if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, switch off your Wi-Fi and go onto mobile data. And then make sure you're in a good coverage area and make sure you also have mobile data on your plan. If you've run out of data, then it's not going to work. If the mobile data is the issue, then switch it over to Wi-Fi and make sure that you're on a strong Wi-Fi connection, whether that be at your house, someone else's house, a coffee shop. Just want to test out the Wi-Fi connection and see if that is strong, because 9 times out of 10, that is where the problem comes in when you're not on a strong internet connection. So you just want to test that, and you can indeed test your internet connection by going onto like a YouTube app and then opening up a video. If the video loads fine and you can scroll through YouTube just fine, then you know your internet connection is fine and you should be good. Now, if it's still not working after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to update your Snapchat app. So head over to the App Store on your phone. On my phone, I go to the Google Play Store. Then you just want to search up Snapchat, and if it does say update, make sure you update to the latest version, because sometimes there can be a bug within the app and then they fix it and then release the update, and you need to have the update installed in order to get the fix. So make sure you update to the latest version of Snapchat and then see if that fixes your problem. And you can also just close out of Snapchat and then going back into it after you've updated your Snapchat app. And then you can also hold down your power button and restart your phone if that still didn't work. Just sometimes a restart of your phone can really help things out when it comes to apps and bugs and things like that. But typically this is going to be an internet connection problem. So make sure you're on a strong Wi-Fi connection or a strong mobile data signal with mobile data on your mobile data plan, and you should be good to go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.